Every day, people around the world pursue their life ambitions in the face of physical challenges and disabilities. We see them. We celebrate them. We are the proud team of individuals that join together across the globe to help them achieve a trajectory they never thought possible. We are the pioneers in life-changing solutions that create movement and restore mobility to those who refuse to give up, rise in the face of challenges, and succeed against all odds. We've spent over a decade leading the industry in groundbreaking innovations and achieving the impossible.
Our products have done two things. They've changed lives one at a time. So any one individual who's had the advantage of being able to walk again, or has been able to rehab because of the AlterG technology in a way they never could before. But as an industry, we created something that didn't exist. And importantly now, both companies, as now one unit in Lifeward, is going to endure and grow multiple technologies to help people. Our mission at Lifeward is to relentlessly drive innovation to change the lives of people with physical limitations or disabilities. We are committed to delivering groundbreaking solutions that empower individuals to do what they love.
It's not just upward, it's Lifeward.